This is the Austrail Leisure Table, a lightweight and compact little side table that's super handy to have next to your chair while you're sitting around the campfire. I'm going to tell you all about it. G'day folks, Ben from Snowy's here today with a really handy little product. It's called the Austrail Leisure Table. This is just a little side table that you can set up to sit next to your camp chair while you're sitting around the campfire. Not something you'd eat at, but just something to put your cup in, and also just to hold your phone or your magazine, whatever you're reading, books and that sort of thing. And it packs up really small like this, easy to transport. So only about 2.3 kilos, measures about 90 centimeters in length and only about 10 centimeters in diameter here. I'll pull it out the bag and show you how to set it up, and then we'll run through all the features. So once you open the bag, it's all rolled up together as one. There's only two parts inside here, so it's secured with this Velcro strap. If I undo that, it separates the top from the frame. So this here's the frame, this is our top. So we'll start by setting up the frame. Now there's two ends to the frame. These little sort of hook sides here are the top. And then if we look at the base, it's got these feet on it there. If we just stand this upright like this and let the legs fall into place, it just takes place automatically by itself there. Now this is a steel frame and the plastic components around the edge here, but they're nice durable nylon instead of plastic, and it feels pretty sturdy. Now if we grab the top here and we unfold this, we can see as we look underneath, there's a little bit of structure here. We've got these steel poles here. There's a steel frame on the side here, and also these steel folding ones. If we fold these out and lock them into place, it creates quite a flat, rigid sort of surface here for us to then clip on the top of the table here. Now if we rest this in place, these clips here clip in the side there where these little gaps are in through the top of the table here. We do that on all four corners, and our table is all set up, ready to use. Now the top here is quite taut once it's all set up. This is a 600 denier polyester on top here that obviously teams up with that steel frame that I was talking about before. It's got about a 20 kilogram weight rating, so it's not a really, it's not going to take a heap of weight, so it is really just a side table. You've got two cup holders in here so you can put your glasses, they stay secure. Books, your dinner or something can sit in the middle here, I suppose, if you like, once you've finished it. Just a really handy side table. Now it measures about 80 centimeters in length, about 53 centimeters in width this way, and about 48 centimeters to the top here. So nice and compact, a good size. I mean, if you wanted to sit down, cross legs, sit on the ground, I suppose, with someone, you could probably both sit and have a dinner nice and low down here. Probably not quite light enough for hiking, but certainly good for the compact camper. Now pack up of the table is just as easy. We unclip the top and fold this up. So we fold this over, look at the bottom here, push these towards the center. That then folds in. Just keep this Velcro strap out to the edge so we can secure it later. We'll grab the bottom, just grab it in the middle, let the legs all fold up like this, lay that on top of the fabric here. We can then roll this up, grab the strap, loop it around the outside, put it back in our bag, and we're good to go. That is the Austrail Leisure Table. If you need just an extra table to sit next to you by the campfire, maybe even in the tent to go between stretches or something, if you want like a side table, like a bedside table for inside the tent, this is a really good and affordable solution. You can grab online at snowys.com.au at our lowest prices every day. If you've got any questions, let us know down in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel, we'll send you all of our latest information. We'll check out some other videos like this one down here.